All right, are you ready? This is the new thing. It's putting everything we just did into one on top of equations. Don't freak out though, it'll be fine. So, barrier, we are going to draw the line through the equal sign. Draw the line through the equal sign. This is nothing different than what we have been doing. Draw that line, okay? This is where it now changes. We are going to distribute. So remember, back to distribute, that means multiply the outside number by each term in the parentheses. By each term in the parentheses. When we say combine, we are talking about combining like terms. Combine things that would be in the same tree. Okay? For isolate, we are talking about isolating the constant terms, or we're just going to say the numbers, right? From the variables or the letters. Okay? And I'll put letters if that makes more sense to you. Okay? Opposite, that's when we're talking about the inverse operation. Okay? And then we are checking. Okay? So, let's do some examples. We have -2 times the quantity 4x minus 3. That all equals 10. So I'm going to draw my barrier. Then I'm going to distribute. So -2 times 4x, that gives me -8x. Then I'm going to do -4 times -2 times -3, which is 6. And then that whole thing just equals 10. Okay? So I drew my barrier. I distributed. Now I'm combining like terms. Is there anything to combine on the same side? No. So now we're going to isolate the variable. So this looks like a two-step equation. Again, this is what we've been doing. Circle my term with my variable. I'm going to subtract 6 on both sides. Bring down my -8x. That equals 4. Divide by -8, because when two items are next to each other, that means multiplied. They're married. To undo that multiplication, that marriage, we have to get divorced or divide. That leaves a 1 pair. And I have 4 over -8. So x equals 4 over -8. Now my question to you is this. What can I divide both 4 and 8 by? 2 or 4? I'm going to go with 4. So if I divide both of these by 4, that leaves me with 1 over -2. So my final answer is that. Okay? So looking at number 2, I have my barrier. Is there anything to distribute? There's not, which is fine. Is there anything to combine? Well, yeah, these are in the same tree, so I need to put those together. This is in a different tree. So if I had 3x and 7x, I would have 10x. Bring down my -8 equals -19. Again, looks just like the two-step equations that we've been working on. So I'm going to add 8 on both sides. 10x equals -11. Undo that marriage. I'm going to divide. So I have x equals -11 over 10. And can I reduce that fraction like I did the other one? No. I could change it to a mixed number, but I'm just going to leave it.